Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple yet incredibly important skill, how to save your edited videos from CapCut straight to your phone's gallery. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently know exactly how to export your projects so they're ready to share, upload, or simply enjoy on your device whenever you want. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've finished polishing your video project exactly how you want it. This step may sound obvious, but it's crucial. Take a moment to double-check your edits, clips, transitions, and effects. Think of it like baking a cake. You want to make sure you've added all the ingredients before you put it in the oven. If you're still unsure about any edit, don't rush. You can always come back and tweak things before exporting. Now that your project is ready, look for the Export button in the CapCut interface. On your phone, this is usually hiding in the top right corner. It'll look like an upward arrow, or sometimes a little icon that resembles a download or save button. Go ahead and tap on it. If you're working on CapCut's PC version, you'll find this button in pretty much the same spot. Simple and consistent. Up next, you might see a menu pop up, offering you some export settings. This is an optional step, but let's talk about why it matters. Here, you can adjust your video's resolution. For instance, 720p for quick shares, 1080p for crisp quality, or even 4K if you want your video to really pop, and if your device has the storage to handle it. There's also frame rate to consider. Higher settings means smoother playback and better quality, but keep in mind, they'll also create larger files. So, think about where you'll be watching or sharing your video. If you're sending it via social media or messaging apps, sometimes lowering the resolution can make the upload faster and save valuable space. Once you're happy with those settings, tap the Export or Save button to start the process. At this point, CapCut needs to render your video, which is basically turning all your edits into a single playable file. You'll see a progress bar moving along. This part might take a few moments, especially if your video is long or packed with effects. But don't worry if it's slow, that just means CapCut is doing its job properly. While this is happening, make sure not to close the app or lock your phone. Interrupting the export could cause errors or a file that won't play correctly later. When the progress bar reaches 100%, you'll see a confirmation screen pop up. That's your sign the export is finished, and your video is now saved directly to your phone's gallery or camera roll. To double-check, just hop over to your Photos or Gallery app and scroll through. Your video should be right there, ready to be shared, uploaded to social media, or sent to friends and family. If you're saving from the PC version, the idea is similar. After hitting the Export button, you'll get to choose exactly where you want to save your finished video on your computer's hard drive. Pick your destination folder, then click Export, and after a short wait, you'll find your file ready to view or send. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to reliably get your stunning CapCut edits onto your personal device. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comments below. I read every one and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy practical tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy editing.